Para tayo po sa inyo ito. Ito po ang nilalaan ng bilang. May this candle cast its light to get to see the gains you've made in your career and not your losses. So, ang tagumpay, ang inyong tingnan at hindi mga kabiguang nasa nung mga nakakaan. Bago itong kabiguang ito ay siya nagpapatatag sa atin. Happy birthday!
Salamat, Romy!
Nasaan na?
May head and everything else sa pangalan ng mga damo na ulan. Bumabati kami at ang aming paggalang pagkilala sa inyo ay everlasting.
Salamat ng marami, Romy!
Ladies and gentlemen, lights your path and help you see all the blessings that also are free. Para sa aming sir, ito ang blessings natin this afternoon. Happy birthday.
Salamat, Billy!
Sir, make candle cast a warm glow of light, full of will and vitality. May the powerful force of God through your mind, spirit, and body. Sir, bilang kaibigan at aming boss, I respect and like very much your style. Good, ang inyong buhay at ang ating pagsasama-sama dito sa akin. That is naman. Happy birthday, sir.
Salamat ng marami sa iyo. Ay,
Muna kaming dalawa ni Sir. Nabati ka na. Lagi naman na talaga siya.
siyempre,
Hindi mo yung kakalimutan niya.
nakalagay yung transfer, ha?
Una.
Yes, yes.
So, for you, who's dead? Still born inside. Ruby! Ruby! 60. Made his candle. Warm glow. Causes you, cause you to think the things that make you happy. Lagi naman yun eh. Not the things that make you sad. So don't think of your heartaches. Saka mga sama. May you welcome every morning, not only every morning, but every day, and the following coming days, with a smile. Laugh at yourself. Are you funny? And life. Laugh at yourself and life.
Paro Delta 60, nire-request po namin si ma'am na makikilagay po ng 0 to make it 60.
Yung 60 pala.
Sunrise, sunset, sunrise, sunset. Sir, make a wish and blow your candle. Make a wish.
Di tulos na rin namin.
Tabi-tabi, kasi kung ano yan.
Yung pong yung pong
Pero yung halong hindi siya.
Kailangan ba malakas ang wish?
Hindi naman po, sir. You can close your eyes and make your wish. Make a wish. Parang tayo na lang tayo dito.
Okay.
Happy birthday.
kung gano'n.
Hindi ko na video. Ulit.
Siguro, tapos nito, celebration na ito ay masasabi na ay, si Ma'am pala ay a woman of few words. Kailangan daw magsasabi ako ng message para sa aking labi-labi. Tangi kong masasabi na naman ay, aha! 60 ka na din! Kasi po, ako'y naging nag-birthday na ako ng June 16 eh. Kaya ngayon, marami na kami.
Ang pinaka